And there was a yeshiva man who was a big masmid, and he had no interest in anything except the Gemara and the Rashi, the Tosfos, the Rishonim, the Achronim, V'Gisov B'Yom V'Laylo, Terosum Nosei. He was not interested in anything else except sitting and learning. So time passed, and they realized that he has to do a shirach, that's by Nashtub. So he talked to the shirach, he became a chosen, and they made that noyim, and the day of the chasna rolled around, and everybody was gathered at the chasna hall, the Kala's parents, the Kala's mishpacha, relatives, friends, the Kala, of course, and then the chosen's father, and the whole chosen's mishpacha. Everybody was there except the chosen. The chosen was not at the hall. So the father realized, well, Yaval, he said, my Moshe is Gesundsein. He said you, by him, he's only interested in the Gemara Rashi and Tosfos. He told me he's probably sitting in this fetish. He ran this fetish. He saw him sitting there with a table piled with swarm. He said, Moshe, what are you doing here? It's your chasna tonight. Oh, he said, he completely forgot. He was so wrapped up in trying to understand a difficult Tosfos. So the father addressed him. He brought him to the hall, and the chuppah took place, the singing, the dancing, the suda, and the chuppah, and the simcha starts to wind down. People are leaving, and first the friends leave, then relatives leave, and then the chosen starts to leave by himself. So the father absorbed him. Moshe, where are you going? He said, when you brought me here, I was in the middle of trying to understand a difficult Tosfos. Before I lose my train of thought, I want to go back to the Gemara. He said, nah, there's a time and place for everything. Now is not the time for that. You have to go home with your collar. He said, go home with the collar? He said, yeah. He said, I never did something like that in my life before. He said, to go home with a lady all alone? He said, yeah. He said, how could I? So he said, here's a chamakin. To go back to the Tosfos is a mitzvah. To go home with the collar is also a mitzvah after the chasni. He said, really? If it's a mitzvah, then you go. So